Let me show you. I'm pretty sure last year they was supposed to do the coppers, and my copper was actually this pinkish purple. But this year they're saying this is purple and it's not. It's still pink. However, in the light it does have like a purple duochrome. And then we have, I love my spiders. The ones here in Texas are ornery and bite, but they had more nail stencils this year. I did use some last year, but they came off really easy. So those new nail stencils here. This one's cute as ghosts. This one has lips and ghosts. And then they came out with two new nails. I think it's it looks like a black skull and the Reaper. And then this one has the cats and the stars and the moon. I'm pretty sure I got purple before, but this one looks a little different. So they got this in purple. It's a gel liner. It's supposed to be a glitter liner, but it looks more like just a shimmer. And then here's the black High Shine lip gloss. I went to CVS because I was so tired that Wednesday, and I told my son that, oh, great hair. My hair is falling out on my face. Anyway, so I saw this at HEB, and I was like, isn't that the same one we got, but in orange? I said, that one looks more red than orange. And I didn't pick it up, and then I found out it is a new color. It is red. So CVS had this, but their display was so small, and I forgot to bring my phone to take a picture. It was really small. If I find the display again, I'll try to take a picture of it. But yeah, same pumpkin, but in red. So this is new. It's the liquid eyeshadow in a white and a black. The white has like silver. They both have silver shimmer. And I was kind of excited about the white, thinking it was matte. I was excited about the white because I thought it was matte. I thought that, you could like put it here and get that ombre effect on your lips. But it's a gloss, but maybe it does the same thing. Or, their high shine glosses are pretty pigmented. And then they have the black gloss. And they have a few, there's like 6 gem face masks, and I just picked up this one. They had this one last year in purple, but this year it's in red, so I got it. And the only new lipstick they got this year is Teal. And I know they did a Teal before, but it was it wasn't their regular lipsticks, the 99 cents type lipstick. But this one is pretty. Can't find my scissors or my razor with the mess here, but I really wanted to show it. I don't know if you could see it from there. But their other one is like more of a true teal. And this one is more of, it looks like a teal blue, which I really like better than, I find that I like the teal blues better than teal greens. I like it more with more blue in it than green in it. I mean, you can also get perfect amounts of both, but I like the teal blues better. So this one is way darker too. It is just so pretty to me. So that's the only new color they have. They keep advertising Graveyard as a taupe, and it's not. It's just a gray. So what excited me the most this year is the glow in the dark ghost sponge. There was a company selling it probably for a lot more money, probably for more like $20 because it glows in the dark, but I don't remember how this is. I know it's under 10. Probably was more like $6, $7. I was so excited. These sold out at my HEB, but when I went out with my husband on Labor Day, we went to another HEB and they had it. And then this year their big sponge is red. The first one was purple, the second one's black, and then this one's red. And their theme this year is Bedeviled. And I don't know what's going on with Instagram. My pictures are not hashtagging. First they said, Wet n Wild said that it is hashtag FM Bedeviled. and they put, that means the picture should be there and the film should be there that they made. And I did it, and it says no pictures are there, and it's been a week. I don't know what's going on with Instagram. And then, so I keep putting that on my Fantasy Makers upload now, and it'll be there for a couple of hours, then it disappears. And so I don't know why. But anyway, that I'm not getting my pictures up on Instagram. So that excited me was the ghost. And then this is the first time they did yellow. It's with the butterfly theme. Just seems to be a regular thing with them. So I wouldn't keep this because I have another one with this. But yeah, it's a yellow sponge, so that's really cool. They've never done that. These were the most exciting to me. They have fake blood, which I'm sure you can just put a little on your lips and on your cheeks, if you maybe to get a lip color and a blush color maybe. We'll see. And then this year they have a says a lip and cheek tints gel. So the name of this is Just a Little Prick. And then they have a seal on it. Try to get it off. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a gel. It's a gel. I guess you just put a little bit like that, a little bit on your lips. But I'm curious to see if this does the same thing, the fake blood. They've never done that before. And the only new eyeshadow and face paint they have is, they say this is neon. This one does not have the purple. It has an aqua color, a turquoise color there. And then they made a new eyeshadow called Twisted Forest. So yeah, this one looks like it matches to this with the colors. All right, I can't open this. I can't find my razor to cut the seal off, but my scissors aren't doing it either. So I'm not really sure what's going on, but that's the new palette for this year. All the rest are their old palettes. This replaced their green palette that they had lots of greens and browns in it for the past 2 years. This is replacing that one. So you still have the other three, but this is the new one. And I'm sorry I couldn't get it open. I can't find my razor right now. But anyway, that's the collection. I wanted to just do a video and show you it. I'll probably be seeing you next week on Friday. So yeah, I'll probably see you next week. The following week might be difficult because my husband has 4 weeks of vacation. He has to use up 2 at least, or he loses them. So he has vacation end of this month and the next month. So he could use up some of it, and probably sometime in December. So okay, I just wanted to just tell you my busy life. And I'm just again happy that I was able to find all the Fantasy Makers before I have this horrible pulled muscle or something in my legs and my shoulder. I even decided that I'm not going to carry a big pocketbook anymore. I'm just going to, try to just put what I really need, and then if I know I'm going to be gone all day, I'll bring the other one type of thing. But because my shoulder just can't take it anymore. Just riddled with arthritis. Anyway, okay, love you guys. Mwah.